Let me take this opportunity to greet the presiding bishop, the members of the Connexional Executive, to greet the Ordinands who are joining us in a Zoom room, and to also greet all Methodists at home who are watching this service for the reception into full connection of the 2020 Ordinance. I begin this service then with a call to worship. Among the gods, there is none like you, Lord. No deeds can compare with yours. All the nations you have made will come and worship before you, Lord. They will bring glory to your name. For you are great, and you do marvelous deeds. You alone are God. We begin the service with the hymn, Mabakudumise Abantu. We are having some technical glitches,